The Team Masterbuilt is here at Lake Pines Event Center here in Columbus. Micah's Promise Banquet is our dinner tonight, a great charity that we're super proud to be a part of. We're gonna serve about 120 people, Boston butt, baked beans, mac and cheese with a side order of coleslaw. Let's get set up. So our Boston butt recipe is we take about a 6 to 8 pound bone-in Boston butt, and we put yellow mustard on the outside, some dry, whatever your favorite dry seasoning is on the outside for barbecue rub, put it in a plastic baggie, put it in the refrigerator overnight, let it marinate. The next day, we put it on the smoker at 225 for about 45 minutes to 1 hour per pound until the temperature gets up 160, 165 internal temperature. Take it out, and we smoked them in an aluminum tray so it collects a lot of the juice. Take the Boston butt, wrap it in aluminum foil, and take that juice and inject it back into the Boston butt. Wrap it another couple of times for a total of 4 wraps. Put it in the smoker again for another 45 minutes to an hour per pound. So it's a total of about a 12 to 14 hour recipe, and you want the internal temperature to get up to about 195 to 200 degrees so that you don't have to cut it. It's ready and pulling perfectly. We're here with Bobby, and we're super excited about doing this event.
I cannot tell you how much it means to John and I and our Masterbuilt family.
The issue of domestic minor sex trafficking is so awful. The sad thing about this is, as big as this problem is, and as many children as it affects, there's only, in our state, there's only 31 beds. And when I say beds, I mean there's only 31 placements for the children who need very intense therapeutic treatment care, long-term treatment care. There's only 31 beds. There's only 2 organizations that have that.
So this is a national organization, but what are you trying to accomplish right here in our city?
We are trying to build a therapeutic treatment facility. We have to raise $1.5 million to build the treatment center. It's a therapeutic treatment center. But once it's built, the state, they'll help us take care of the kids, because then the girls will be in our custody.
We are here tonight at the Lake Pines Event Center. Beautiful, beautiful venue. And the agenda for the evening, we're having a barbecue dinner that Masterbuilt has made for us. We're very excited for that. We have a raffle going on, and we have a silent auction going on. Many local artists have done paintings, handmade quilts, lots of fun baskets that have all kinds of goodies in them. Kind of hanging out, having fun, and talking about the cause.
When people ask us often, why this issue, why this, why do we care so much? Well, how can you not care when it's children? And it's children being, with the worst things being done to them. And for the majority of them, they've already had bad things happen to them in their lives. So when I say love shouldn't hurt, they oftentimes don't know that, because they don't know anything else. And so what we want to be able to do for them, for sex trafficked kids, is to show them what love should look like and what their worth is, because they haven't been told what their worth is.
So Bobby, from Tanya and I's bottom of our hearts, thank you for what you've done. We love you. We're, again, proud to be a part of Micah's Promise tonight. And, our prayers that all of this goes like you want it to, and this city gets behind it.
That much closer to your goal. That's what we want to do. We just want to be a part of helping you get to your goal.
Love y'all.
Yeah, love you too.
Okay.
Yeah.